Hi, I want to introduce you today to a new Changeout we just released. This is what it looks like all glued together, but this is what your kit's going to come like. This is unfinished MDF wood. It will all come in square pieces and you will pop all the pieces out. They're connected to there by a little tab. See this little tab? That's what holds it into the pieces for shipping. I would just sand off the little tabs before you start. Then we like to use Gorilla wood glue. You can use whatever kind of wood glue you like, or you can use hot glue if you'd like to use that too. Continue popping out all the pieces and gluing them on. I would probably suggest painting this before you put it all together. So after it's painted and dried, glue it all together and start by the back and just keep continuing with the layers. This top little arched piece that comes in two pieces is the top piece. After everything is all glued together, go ahead and keep popping out the rest of the pieces to make sure you have all of your pieces for the back of the kit. These two are the side pieces for the placeholder that will hold all 12 prints that come in this kit. You'll also have two tiny little hinges that will hold the piece that I'm putting in right now together, and two tiny little screws. See, these are the back pieces that are the hinges, and these are the screws. With a tiny little screwdriver, screw those screws into there with the little hinge, and see they will swivel so that you can take the back piece off that holds your prints in there for every month. Now we're going to find the placeholder. This has two side pieces and a back piece that kind of looks like a fence. Pop those into the rectangle pieces and the base on there. Now you're finished, and it will hold all 12 prints that you've cut out for your kit. Happy crafting!